Now, debt counselling also
Yes.
has a legal arm to it, and very many people don't know that.
Yes.
As an attorney, do you care to expand on the legal arm of debt counselling?
Yeah, sure. In a nutshell, I'll just talk you through very briefly the point up until legal. So, the debt gets restructured. There's a proposal sent to the credit providers. They either accept, make a counter offer, decide to oppose. The matter has to go before a magistrate. So it's my function to present the case to the magistrate, illustrate that the particular person is over indebted, and ask for a court order which restructures the particular person's debt. So it will be paying slightly less every month, perhaps an adjusted interest rate if the credit provider agrees. And you'll have situations where magistrates are not happy with X, Y, and Z, and you'll get questions such as, this person has one child, their child maintenance is 10,000 Rand a month. We need an explanation there. And it is quite a challenging aspect of the whole process.
May go to court on your behalf, and therefore it is a completely legal process.
Strictly speaking, you do have to have an attorney. However, debt counselling applications in court are structured slightly differently to any other court application, in that the debt counsellor is actually cited as the applicant.
Yes.
Because the debt counsellor is cited as the applicant, they can self-litigate, which means they can go to court. It would basically be, let's say I was sued and not in my capacity as an attorney, and I went to court to represent myself. The debt counsellor can do that. However, the debt counsellors don't always, or are not always familiar with the legalities and even the specific conventions that dictate how the magistrates court operates. So it's quite rare that you see debt counsellors appearing in court, but it can actually happen.
When a magistrate accepts all of the proposals and says, right, I'm stamping this court order, this is it. What is that court order then actually say? What does that court order mean to a consumer?
Okay, so that court order, or the restructure, so you'll have your court order, the first page, which basically explains that person is under debt review. And annexed to that is the actual restructuring of the debt, which become the new terms of the agreement. So basically,
So it's your new credit contract, your
Yes.
new credit agreement.
Look, obviously all the terms that apply to your initial credit agreements apply. So if you do default, the banks can, or the credit providers generally can still take action. So all the terms and conditions are still there, but the payment terms is what changes, and so that part of the court order essentially replaces the payment terms of the credit agreement.
Okay, so we're looking at the fact that creditors can take action if you do skip a payment, if you do skip a few payments, if you are not in touch with them.
Yes.